Okay guys, before we get started into this video, this is in collaboration with my YouTube friend Crystal. She is absolutely amazing and I will let her introduce herself.
Hello everyone, my name is Crystal and I live in North Carolina with my wonderful husband. I work full-time and I also love to post cleaning and organization videos to give you tons of motivation. I do throw some lifestyle content in there as well to keep things extra fun. So if all that interests you, then please head over to my channel after you finish watching this lovely lady's video. If you like what you see, click the red subscribe button because I would absolutely love to have you join my family.
Hi guys, and welcome back to another LofgrenLife Clean with me. And today's video is actually going to be a power hour ultimate clean with me, and I hope you guys get some awesome cleaning motivation from this video. So I'm going to be starting my time at 1:15, so that means I have until 2:15 to get everything done that's on my list. And if I haven't already told you, on my list I want to tackle the living room, the kitchen, possibly start some laundry. I really want to get to Chase's room, kind of spruce it up a little bit, and I want to get to the half bath. So that is a lot in an hour, but I think I can do it. So, in starting here in my living room, I want to start by getting here behind the sofa, and I want to wipe everything, clean everything out and wipe the walls down. And in wiping everything down today, I'm going to be using Miss Meyer's multi-surface everyday cleaner in the mint scent. And you guys know that I love mint if you've been watching for a while.
Holding crutches, can't let go of any mistakes. Distant, sometimes I get distant. Stay away as long as it takes. Forgive my attitude. I need my cake and eat it too. But a little time will be enough for me to prove that baby you're the remedy. You're my mirror.
Just a little hack that I've learned, I use a lint roller on my lamps, and that helps get the dust off without having to use like a dust cloth or anything like that, and it does wonders in getting the dust off of your lampshade.
See, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. My highs and my lows is part of being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can, 'cause baby you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want these problems, I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but
Tell you guys, when I look behind this sofa, I was shocked. Like all this stuff, I don't know how it gets back here. It just falls down. There's dust, there's paper, all kinds of stuff. So I am so happy this was on my list today to clean from behind these sofas.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever. we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
Okay, you guys, so I am done in the living room, so now I'm moving on to the kitchen, which really isn't that bad today. This is just stuff left over from breakfast. So I'm just going to hand wash these dishes instead of loading the dishwasher. And oh, a quick tip, you guys, make sure you fix yourself some ice water. This is a serious workout. Let me tell you, I am tired, I am hot, I'm sweaty, but I'm gonna keep pushing through and power on through this power hour and tackle this kitchen here.
I know I messed up. Yeah, I know I did you wrong. But I learned my lesson. Now what if we could move on? Remember the good days. I wish that we could go back. I know I'm not perfect, but at least give me a try. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough, 'cause you're the best, you know. I'm sorry for making you feel like
I have to give a shout out to my girl, Sean Yvonne at Squeaky Clean Life. I finally got Barkeeper's Friend, and let me tell you, girl, my sink is super shiny, so thanks to you. And if you guys haven't watched her channel, Squeaky Clean Life, please make sure you tune in because she has some awesome cleaning motivation, and I think you will love her channel as well. And grab yourself some Barkeeper's Friends, that way your stainless steel can be shining too.
making you feel like you're not good enough. Give me a chance. Yeah, baby, try just one more night. Then make up your mind. Please don't say that it's goodbye, bye. If you just believe it, I know we can make it. We used to be strong, love. Don't forget where you're coming from. A heart like that, don't give up that easily. I wanna see you be mad, yeah, get mad at me. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough, 'cause you're the best, you know. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. Give me a you dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help.
2:03. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a total workout. When I tell you I got a lot of stuff done, I got the kitchen done, living room done. I still want to do the half bath, but I don't think I have time. But I might have time just to run in there real quick and just straighten it up real quick, but not really a deep clean. So I think I started at what, 1:14 or 1:15. That means I have 13 minutes. So I have time to run in the bathroom, half bath real quick, straighten it up really quick, and then I should be done in my hour.
I know I messed up. Yeah, I know I did you wrong. But I learned my lesson. Now what if we could move on? Remember the good days. I wish that we could go back. I know I'm not perfect, but at least give me a try. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough, 'cause you're the best, you know. I'm sorry for making you feel like you're not good enough. Give me a chance, yeah baby, try just one more night, then make up your mind. Please don't say that it's goodbye, bye. If you just believe it, I know we can.
Guys, 2:14 on the dot. So that is exactly what I got done. Okay, you guys, so you saw that 2:14. So I had 1 minute to spare. I think I started at 1:15 when I went back and checked the video. I did start at 1:15, so I stopped at 2:14. So I had 1 minute to spare. I didn't get everything done that I had on my list, but I did get the kitchen done. I got the living room done behind the couches because I don't get to that often. And I also got the half bath done, just a quick spruce up, not really a deep clean in there. I didn't get to clean Chase's room like I wanted to, but I did get a load of laundry started, but not completed. So that was my 1 power hour. So I do appreciate you guys tuning in, watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and comment and like this video if you enjoyed this power hour cleaning. And don't forget to go watch Crystal's video, because she also has some great things that she's also doing a power hour clean with me as well. So thank you so much for watching, and have a good day. Bye.